Hello friends, good morning. Today we start in chapter 5, Arithmetic Progression, Important Things. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment and share this video. Here, relationship between the Sn and An. Sn means sum of n terms and An means n terms. Sn that means sum of n terms and An that means nth term. The relationship between the Sn and An. How to find the relationship between Sn and An? First, you write the formula. Sn means series A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to plus An minus 1 up to An. Sn means sum of n terms, and sum of n terms is A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to An minus 1 plus An. Here, these all terms A1 to up to A plus n minus 1 write into the bracket form, and An is a separate term. Here A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to An minus 1 term, that means An minus 1 terms plus An, and sum of n terms, that is equal to A1 to up to An, but sum of A1, A2, A3 up to An minus 1 term, that means is n minus 1. His sum is Sn minus 1 because last term is n minus 1. That term that is equal to Sn minus 1. Here A1, A2, A3 up to An terms, last term is An, that is equal to Sn terms. But A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to An minus 1, that means that is a sum of Sn minus 1, that is equal to Sn minus 1. That is equal to Sn minus 1 plus An. And Sn minus 1 transposing right side to left side, therefore An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. This term transposing to right side, that is equal to minus sign, therefore An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1, but n is greater than 1. That is the condition, n is greater than 1. For true value, this equation is true for n is greater than 1. Suppose n is equal to 2, therefore S2 minus 2 minus 1, S2 minus S1, that is equal to A2. तो हमें कोई भी टर्म फाइंड करनी हो तो इस फॉर्मूला से हम nth टर्म फाइंड कर सकते हैं. Therefore An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. That is the relationship between An and Sn. Second one, for n is equal to 1, A1 is equal to S1 is equal to A for n greater than 1. Okay, here n is equal to 1, that term will be 0. Therefore A1 is equal to S1, and A1 means first term, and S1 means also first term, that is equal to first term is A for n greater than 1. Here nth term of an AP, here nth term of an AP is equal to sum of first n term, that is equal to Sn minus sum of first n minus 1 term. So nth term of an AP, that is equal to sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1. Second, an important result, Sn is, you know that the formula of Sn is equal to n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to Sn. Sn is equal to, please simplify this bracket, 2A plus n into D and D minus 1 into dt. So Sn is equal to multiply n by 2 multiply with 2A, so 2 will be cancelled out, that is equal to Na. N by 2 multiply with Nd, that is n square D by 2, and n by 2 multiply with D, that is equal to minus Nd by 2. Therefore Sn is equal to, that is the form of D by 2 into n square, D divided by 2 into n square plus, here n is common, here n is common, therefore remaining term into bracket is A, and minus D by 2. N is common between these two terms, n is common. Therefore Sn is the form of a quadratic equation. That form is a quadratic equation formula. There is no constant term. There is no constant term. The formula of Sn is always a quadratic polynomial in n variable is n without the constant term. You remember this term, Sn is equal to, the sum of Sn is always a quadratic polynomial in n term, in n without the constant term. N square, coefficient of n square, that is equal to A by D, and coefficient of n is A minus 2 by 2. That form is a quadratic polynomial form. Okay, the coefficient of n square is A by D, the coefficient of n square, that is equal to a by b, that is equal to a divided by coefficient of n square that is equal to d divided by 2, coefficient of n square that is equal to d by 2, here d divided by 2, coefficient of n square is d by 2, and the coefficient of n that is equal to a minus d by 2. Coefficient of n square is d by 2 and coefficient of n is a minus d by 2. And Sn is the sum of terms that is equal to p. That term is p into n square plus q into n, where p is equal to d by 2 and q is equal to a minus d by 2. Okay, and you remember this formula, the sum of first n natural terms. The sum of first n natural numbers that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, that is equal to sigma n, that is equal to sigma n, and find the sum of n numbers of first n natural numbers, that is equal to formula n into n plus 1 by 2. You can easily find the first 50 natural numbers. So n is equal to 50, sigma 50, 50 into 51 plus 1, 50 into 50 plus 1, that is 51 divided by 2, then we have to find out. But the number starting with the 1. Similarly, same to same, the sum of the square of n natural numbers, sum of the square of n natural numbers, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square, that is equal to sigma n square, and that is the formula is equal to n by 6, n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Then we have to find out the sum of the square of first 10 natural number term, sum of the square of first 10 natural term, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 10 square, that is equal to sigma 10 square, 10 by 2, 10 plus 1 into 2 into 10, 20 plus 1. That answer is equal to 385. Similarly, the sum of the cube of the n natural numbers, sum of the cube of the n natural numbers, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube, that is equal to sigma n cube, and its formula is n square into n plus 1 by 4, and n square plus n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. That is equal to n by 2 into n plus 1 whole square, and n by 2 into n plus 1 whole square, that is equal to sigma n square. Here you write down find the sum of the cube of 6 natural numbers. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 6 cube, that is sigma 6 cube, and put the value in this form, 6 into 6 plus 7 by 2, 6 into 6 plus 1, that is 7, 6 into 7, 42 by 2, that is 21 square, and answer is 441. Similarly, sum of the first n odd natural number, that is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 2n minus 1 term, that is equal to sigma 2n minus 1, sigma 2n minus 1 terms, that is equal to n square. So first we will find out the here sum of the first 10 odd natural number, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19, that is equal to 10 number of terms, 10 odd numbers, first 10 odd natural number, that is equal to 10 square. Then we have to find out 10 square is equal to 100. Similarly, the sum of first n even natural number, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 up to 2n term, that is equal to n square plus n is equal to n into n plus 1. Otherwise, sum of first 10 even natural number, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20, that is equal to 10 square plus 10, 100 plus 10, that is equal to 110. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you friends.